YUMIN Primary School.
My name is GUO CHENGXI, 8 years old, primary 2 from YUMIN Primary School.
This lesson is Calculus, Chapter 5, Indefinite Integration. And this time, we'll find the antiderivative for this indefinite integration. Can you first tell me what is the domain of this integrand?
It can be anything.
Okay. So for this, what is the denominator?
The denominator is quadratic.
Yes. And how many methods do we have for this?
We have 4 methods.
Okay, starting from method 1.
The first method is straight away.
And this question, the indefinite integration is integral dx over x squared plus 2x plus 2. So right now, first for this, you can use a completing square.
Now we can use the formula, write down the formula.
And don't forget that you need a plus 1 here. Like this, right?
Yes.
So this is the first method. Next, the second method.
Substitution by trigonometry.
And this substitution, yes, as you said, it is the trigonometry. So for this kind of substitution, first we will
need to let
the completing square, right?
yes.
So here we actually have this x plus 1. So for this and also this plus 2, which can be a, but actually you have like this, right?
Yep.
So actually just this plus 1. So here of course you'll put a
Tangent.
theta.
Yes. Yes, that's the
Range for theta,
yes.
like this, right?
Right.
So for this, dx will be what? D theta
Is a secant.
squared theta.
Yep.
So for this here, this d theta, and remember here is the
Secant
secant square theta, right?
Yes.
Then for this will over.
Remember your tangent. Good.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
So what is tangent square theta plus 1? Right here.
Tangent.
Sure, it's a secant square?
Yes.
Okay, yes, correct. So like this, these two can simplify. That will be like this, right?
Yeah.
After that, you integrate, and then you sub back.
Yes.
Like this, is it right?
Yep.
Okay, next, the third method.
The third method is substitution by formula. First is completing square.
And this is the algebraic, right?
Okay.
So you're that. So this is the x plus 1, which you can let it be. Okay, so you want u.
Something like this.
So the u must be bigger than negative infinity and smaller than the positive infinity.
Yes. So now we can sub it in, right?
Yep. So like this, you'll use this formula again, right?
Yeah. Because we sub in, so we need to
Sub back. Okay, so this is the third method, right?
right.
Okay, so next, the fourth method.
What is it called? Partial fraction. And it's the complex variable. Right?
Yes. So for this fourth method, what will we need to have? Do you have any ideas?
We will need to have the partial fraction.
So like this is the A over. Okay, so remember this part. When we factorize, what happens?
When we factorize, it becomes.
Okay, so for example, this one is a is it like this?
Yep.
So actually, we can first let something, right?
Yeah.
Like this, can?
Can.
It's all right.
Okay.
So actually, for this will be the u squared plus 1, which is 1 over.
It's 1 over u minus I bracket u plus I. Right there below. I said right there below. Okay. If you say to go space.
So right now for this we can, to find A and B, we'll need to
Common denominator.
like this, right?
Right.
So on both sides you can times u squared plus 1. Can?
Can. Correct.
And here we also can expand. Like this. Is that alright?
Okay.
So right now for this, you need to get a 1, right?
Right.
And here we have two i's, but when you change the a and a b, so that means this a will need to be a
Negative b.
yes. But because that here is only a 1, so you need a half, right?
Yep.
So first for this a, because that here is a negative, and here I square is a negative 1. I square is a negative 1. So for that, you need a negative here. And so this b will be a half I, right?
Right.
So like this, we can sub it in. So you straight away sub in here.
Yep.
So this x will be the
x will be
u, right?
Yep.
First, we'll sub in this part. Then afterwards, here we have half I, right?
Right.
So for this, which one's a positive, which one's a negative?
The positive one is b.
Okay, yes, the positive one is the b, right?
Yes, and a is a negative.
Okay. wait a second. Okay, so let me tell you, here's a negative, and you need a positive, so actually this is a positive, well, this is a negative, right?
Right.
So is it correct now?
Yup.
So for this, A is a positive,
Correct.
B is a negative.
So just now, you just read the opposite, so it should be like this.
So for this, actually, both of these will be a ln, right? It
Yeah.
is actually very obvious, am I right?
Of course.
And remember, this is the logarithm. When it is a minus, what is it?
It is divide.
Yes. So like this, the denominator rationalization.
Yep. Okay, so I will erase here.
So this u minus I times u plus I is a,
U minus I and U plus I is the U squared plus 1.
like this, right?
Right.
So right now for this, because that here, this square actually can take down, right?
Right.
Like this, is it right?
Yep.
So right now we'll use the Euler's formula, right?
Right.
Firstly here, what do we have? This, the square root of this square plus this square. Am I right? So okay, I'll write it down. Is this a square root of the square root? Square root. This square, right? The u over square root, u square plus 1. This square, right?
Yes.
Which is a u square over u square plus 1, right?
Yep.
So then you will plus, this will be the 1 over u square plus 1. U square over u square plus 1. So like this will be a 1, right? So
Okay.
square root 1 is still a 1. So here's the ln.
So there will be a ln 1.
Okay,
and
so
actually ln 1 is 0.
okay. So then here will be
By
plus
tangent.
inverse tangent, right?
Yes.
So this triangle is
Definitely a rectangle triangle.
wait, this is a u, right? Then here's a okay. So this tangent, this is the 1 over u, right?
Yep.
Here is it right?
Yes. As I said, here will be a 0 and
I times
I squared, which means a negative 1.
Yes.
Negative 1, just put the negative.
So this triangle can we erase?
Okay, just get a quick look. Okay. And now, because we just now sub in, so now we sub back, right?
Wait, but what about the trigonal identity?
Oh, yep. So the trigonal identity is
Okay, yes.
you actually also can put that 1. You're both correct. Sub back now.
Like this, is it right?
Yep.
Okay, so these are the 4 methods, okay?
Okay. And then the last one.
Actually, this is the general method, right?
Yes. And what you want to say?
Okay, so if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, so for this lesson, can we just end here?
Okay.
In the next lesson, we'll continue, okay?
Okay.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.